Hello guys, guess what? I have a awesome product to share with you today. You will not want to miss this, so listen carefully. This product is a customizable Shea body butter kit from Karla Mingo Home. My name is Karla Mingo. I'm the owner and founder of Karla Mingo Home. And guys, I just launched a brand new product that I have to show you how it works, because you will want this in your life after you see this, okay? So this is the kit, and in the kit you will receive a 4-ounce jar of whipped shea body butter. Now this whipped shea body butter is already formulated with the almond oil, the coconut oil, vitamin E oil, and an orchid extract. So it's already whipped, it's already mixed, so this formula is actually good by itself and is usable right now. You don't have to do anything to it. But if you want your own scent, you have a favorite essential oil or a favorite perfume, and you really wish you had that in a body butter to spread all over you, well, now you can do that. In your kit, you will receive two 2-ounce empty containers. And so what you do, the first step is to take your unscented body butter and transfer some into your container. Once you transfer your body butter into this container, you will add your favorite fragrance to it, however strong you want it or however light you want it. It's up to you. Once you add your oils, the kit also comes with 2 spatulas, so you're able to mix up your new whipped shea body butter. Replace this cap, which is also sealed with a leak-proof seal here. So this is really safe for you to travel with or put in your purse. And once you seal your body butter, label your body butter. You can use a permanent marker, or you can use stickers on top to label it. And then it is so easy to carry with you everywhere. You want to put this in here, it fits nicely in this purse, as you can see. And so it's easy to carry with you on vacation or on the go or wherever, or keep it at work. And then it also comes in this beautiful little bag. And this bag, I use a lot of packaging that can be reused, because I really believe in saving our planet and being eco-friendly. So that is the whipped shea body butter kit. Guys, you will love this product, and it only takes a little bit. And so this is my personal one that I carry with me in my purse. I have lavender in here. And guys, I've been carrying this, I mean, this will last for weeks. I have had this in my purse for weeks, because when I use it, I just need like a little bit, and that's all I need. So it lasts a long time. And so yes. So who's ready for their customizable whipped shea body butter kit?